Hello and welcome to our joint booth at Automatica. Today marks day one of the exhibition and our booth is already really busy. So if you haven't already, make sure to come see us in booth B4318 and see what we got to offer. For the next few days we would also like to use these videos to show you a few impressions and insights from our booth. So don't miss it and follow us around. Let's go. Now I'm standing here with Manisha. Manisha, could you tell us a bit about the application?
Sure. We are demonstrating AI-driven server maintenance focused on automating server maintenance operations, particularly the hard disk exchange. At the core is the H10W robot, which is a dual-arm robot mounted on an AMR. It features a height-adjustable torso, two Dyna 3 arms with joint torque sensors. H10W utilizes Agile Core for orchestration and AgileAI supported by Google DeepMind's Gemini for intelligent decision making. Users interact with AgileAI to initiate the hard disk exchange using natural language commands. AgileAI handles the reasoning, parameterization and disk segmentation. The robot then autonomously navigates to the server and drives to the rack and simulates a hard disk removal and completes the exchange by inserting a new hard disk. Some of the benefits are faster maintenance at data centers, reduced human error, and scalable automation. If you would like to know more, come and talk to me. Thank you.